Hey, what's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to give you 5 reasons why most people fell on ClickBank. If you're here for the first time, I want to personally welcome you. This channel is all about helping you live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment, and really build a business that you love. So if you like the sound of being able to do that, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to the channel, once again, if it's your first time, and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So before we get into the actual content, I've got a $1,000 giveaway that I'm doing, where every single month I give away $1,000 to a random subscriber that does the following. Number one, they like the video. Number two, of course, they've already subscribed. If you're not subscribed to qualify, make sure that you subscribe and that you've also ticked that bell icon. And then last but not least, make sure that you put a unique thought out comment below. So again, like, comment, subscribe, tick that bell icon. And if you feel that other people can get this value, then go ahead and also share this video. So that being said, let's go ahead and dive into these 5 tips. So first off, I've been doing ClickBank for the past 10 years. It's actually been over 10 years. I'm 33 now. I've been doing ClickBank since I was about 20 years old. So it's been well over a decade that I've been doing ClickBank affiliate marketing. I've made tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars through the ClickBank affiliate network. And so I'm somebody that has been in the trenches. I've promoted offers. I've had many failures. I've had many successes. And I want to boil down what it really takes to succeed in these 5 reasons why most people fail. So let's go ahead and start with the first reason. The first reason is that most people don't stick to one niche. When they go to ClickBank, they're learning about ClickBank. They go through all the products, they sort them by popularity or by gravity, and then they pick a product and they just go out there and start spamming their link out there on the internet. And if that doesn't work, then they're like, okay, the product's dead, this doesn't work, I'm gonna go promote another product. And then that cycle repeats over and over and over again because they're just jumping around, picking many different products, just going through the affiliate tools, expecting the affiliate tools are just going to make them succeed without having the proper foundation. So that leads us to our second point. They don't succeed because, number one, of course, they're jumping around, but they're jumping around because they don't learn about the niche. They don't dive deep into the niche. It might be something that they're not passionate about, so they continue to jump around from thing to thing. You've got to stick to one niche. You've got to gain the knowledge in that specific niche. You've got to make sure that you are actually a practitioner within the niche. So it could be a niche where you know nothing about the niche, and that's completely fine. What you want to do is you want to first maybe purchase the ClickBank product, go through it, get results yourself, and then begin to share it with others and start putting out content, which I'm going to talk about in just a second, that's based around what you learned, the problems that the niche faces, and specific things that you've done to overcome specific problems within that niche. So as long as you have some sort of result, maybe it's in the diet, market, and it's in the weight loss niche and the keto niche, and you're teaching people keto dieting. Maybe you lost 20 pounds with keto dieting. What are some things that you can teach people that helped you lose those 20 pounds? And so that might give you a few ideas of content, but you want to be somebody that's plugged into the niche, that knows what's going on. Maybe subscribe to other newsletters, purchase other products on ClickBank or outside of ClickBank that are related to the product. Look at different blogs, look at different articles. Who are the gurus in the niche that you can follow? What types of publications are out there? And again, if I didn't mention this, what type of websites are out there where you can continue to learn more and do more research? So the more that you learn, it's very simple, the more that you're going to earn. Your income is in direct proportion to how much value that you give to the marketplace and how many offers you make. That moves us perfectly onto point number 3 as to why people fail with ClickBank. People don't focus on one traffic source. They're trying way too many traffic sources. They're doing YouTube one day, just like they're hopping around from niche to niche, they're hopping around from traffic source to traffic source. So you need to stick with one traffic source. Stick with that traffic source long enough to where, you build a substantial audience. At the time of the creation of this video on YouTube, I have right around 75,000 subscribers. I did not start doing paid traffic until like my 6th year on the internet. So people are getting overwhelmed with the latest and greatest social media app, such as TikTok. Then you've got Instagram, then you've got Facebook, and then you've got all these other social media apps that are beginning to come out. And it's overwhelming. The key to success online is, at some point you want to have omnipresence, which means you want to be everywhere. But in the beginning, for the first literally 3 to 5 years, focus on just one traffic source and one single strategy. And that's all I did my first 3 to 5 years. The more content you put on a social media platform, that social media platform will start to credit you. Why? They want to pay people that give their platform quality content, because the more quality content they have on their platform, the more advertisers they have. And again, the more quality content, they also have more eyeballs, they have more viewers, which creates more advertisers. So you have to earn the respect of the social media platform that you're on. So make sure that you stick to one traffic source and you achieve mastery. Understand the algorithm. Start modeling other videos that are out there if it's YouTube. Start modeling other Facebook posts if it's Facebook. If it's TikTok, model other videos. So you want to model success wherever it is, but stick to one single traffic source. So that leaves us to the 4th reason why most people fell on ClickBank. I alluded to this in number 3. They don't build a long-term brand. When you think about companies like Coca-Cola, even Pepsi, their competitor, you think about, we're talking about companies that have been around since the 60s, 70s, and they're still doing advertising today because they understand the importance of leaving an imprint, leaving a footprint. With typical direct response marketing, for example, if you're running Facebook ads, and you're running people directly to a product that they might see today, they won't see tomorrow. But if something happens to Facebook and you can't advertise there anymore, then people are just going to forget about you. But if you were building a long-term brand since the beginning, whether it be on TV advertisement, whether it be on radio, you were somebody that was always promoting, regardless of what platform, and you were giving out a lot of quality value, then people are going to remember you. They're going to seek you out. They're going to find you. So what I'm saying is a short commercial here and there on one platform, you'll succeed to a certain point, but as soon as that platform dies, pretty much your brand dies because you never built a brand. You want to be building a brand, aka putting out a lot of free content out there on the internet, because again, if something does happen, people will be ingrained with your brand. They will remember you. The 5th reason why most people fell on ClickBank is the simple theory of saturation. Yeah, if everybody is going to ClickBank and they find a product and they use the same affiliate tools as everybody else, they're going to eventually fail unless they're one of the first to promote with those specific affiliate tools. So what you need to do is be creative and seek outside of the affiliate tools, or use the affiliate tools and think of how you could be more creative with those tools instead of just copying and pasting. You see, it's the creative affiliate marketers that make the most money. They take what's already out there and they model it. They might change a few things. They might test a few different things. Testing is the biggest thing. The more testing you can do, the more creativity that goes along with that testing, the more likely you're going to succeed. And furthermore, try your own ad creatives. For example, if it's Facebook and they're giving you ads that you could duplicate, well, try your own different images. Try different headlines. Again, I'm asking you to model the framework, but don't copy everything verbatim. Take what's working and make it better. This is Joshua Elder. I hope you got value from this video. If you want to learn a little bit more about building an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch, there's going to be some affiliate resources in the description below. Again, make sure that you like this video, especially if you got value from it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, tick that bell icon, and put a unique comment below or a question that I can help you answer. And in the next 24 to 48 hours of launch of this video, I'll be sure to jump down and answer any of your questions. This is Joshua Elder signing off. Again, hope you got value, and we'll see you in the next video.